So this is supposed to be 24 and 3/4 because the door is 24. That's what the glass man said. So it's built where when it open, you squeeze yourself through because I need my box to sit on. Anyways, over here is going to be a stationary glass with black trimmings. My shower head is black trimmings. I just don't have it, so I went and buy this. And this is 6 feet from floor to here, and then I have to take away the 8 inches from here. Yeah, so 8 inches I have to take away because from there to here is 8 inches to there, and then from here to there is 6 feet. So right across it's gonna have a black trim for the glass. As I said, this side of glass is stationary. This side is where the door is going to be. You walk in. I don't have any more money and I don't have any more tiles. So sorry, this is all yes, I did want one for right there, but I don't have it. I don't. But when they come and pay me the balance, I'll go get the tile and ask them for a day to tile it if possible. I don't know. The stationery, I'm going to pick it up tomorrow. Sorry, not the stationery. The vanity, I'm going to pick it up tomorrow and put it right there. Yes, I did not pay for the granite and I'm broke. So I have no fucking countertops. So I don't know how this room is going to go. But the one upstairs should finish. Is going to finish and complete. The one upstairs is going to complete. It's just this shower. But they're all family. They can bathe in another bathroom if they want to. But I used to bathe in here before. Even last night I bathed in here before I did the bathroom. I used to bathe in here, put it that way. I bathe in here when guest is next door. Because see my shower stuff up there. And I put up this, and yes, I friggin' scratch it with the plumbing wrench. Frack. Can't wait to get me this. And I gotta take down that, as I said. And there's another view of my room, my junk ass room that never ever always clean. My room always clean. It's just that I throw stuff on the floor when I pick up from the line, and then when I wake up in the morning, I fold them. So I won't show you. Oh, I turn off my living room light, my dining room, living bar, whatever. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Csompó Empire. I need the support. And my birthday is next Monday. I'll be 46 on the 10th. Please cash out me $1 or $5. Ooh,